In this video we are going to study uh, joining process, and the topic will be arc welding process. This is the setup or arc welding principle. Arc welding or electric arc welding is a fusion welding process in which welding heat is obtained from an electric arc between an electrode and the workpiece. It is a welding process means the welding heat. Welding the heat which is required for the welding is obtained from the electric arc between an electrode and the workpiece. See this setup. This is the water table. These are the metal part to be joined. This is the arc which is set. Okay. Then this is the to the power supply to the power source. Okay. Insulated cables are the electrode holder. It is a fusion welding process in which welding heat is obtained from an electric arc between an electric arc. The temperature photo at the center of the arc is 6000 to the 70,000 degrees Celsius. In this, the base 7000 degrees Celsius, sorry, not 7,000 degrees. And this, the base metal is melted by the temperature of the arc, forming a pool of the molten metal. Either AC or DC supply is used. The electrodes used in this process are of two types: bare and coated electrodes. The length of the electrode varies from 250 to 450 mm, whereas diameter varies from 1.6 to 9 mm. Advantage of arc welding is it is most versatile process which can be applied for both thick and thin sections. Welding of complicated shapes can also be done by arc welding. Welding can be done in any position with a high weld quality. Welded parts are neat and smooth. Disadvantages: as the electrodes are coated, the chances of slag entrapment and their related defects are more. Welding control is difficult. The process needed filler material. A slow process. Applications: air receiver, boilers, pressure vessels, fabrication works, automobile, chemical and aircraft industries, shipbuilding and bridge construction. A number of applications are there. Arc welding equipments: AC or DC machine, electrode and holder, bare electrode, coated, consumable or non-consumable, filler rod and fluxes, cables and cable connector, earthing clamps, fire brush, helmet. Carbon arc welding. Carbon arc welding is the welding process where the coalescence at its joint is produced by heating the workpiece with an electric arc struck between carbon electrode and the workpiece. Welding may be carried out in air or an inert atmosphere. Filler metal may or may not be used. It may be classified as single electrode and twin electrode carbon arc welding. In case of twin arc welding, the arc stuck between the electrode produces coalescence or joint. The workpiece does not form a part of electric circuit. In this setup, you can see this is carbon electrode, non-consumable electrode. With their arc stuck between the main power supply. Gas tungsten arc welding. It is also called as a tungsten inert gas welding or TIG welding. It is called as a TIG welding, which is an important welding process. It is an arc welding process where joint is produced by heating the workpiece with an arc. Heating the workpiece with an electric arc stuck between the tungsten electrode and the workpiece. To avoid atmospheric contamination of the molten weld pool, a shielding gas is used. If required, filler metal may be added. To start the process, welding current, water and inert gas supply are turned on. The arc is struck by touching the electrode with a scrap metal tungsten piece. Then the welding torch is brought near the workpiece. When electrode tip reaches within a distance of 2 to 3 mm from workpiece, a spark jumps across the air gap between electrode and the workpiece. Then the air path gets ionized and arc is established. Shows the welding torch. Welding continues by moving the torch along The joint end at the far end of the workpiece edge is broken by increasing the air gap. Understand arc welding advantage: no flux is used, clear visibility of the arc and the workpiece with better control over explosives, produce smooth and sound welds, no weld cleaning is required. Limitation: cost of equipment is high, can cause weld metal contamination in case of filler rod and comes out of the shield. Slow process, separate filler rod is required. Application: used for welding of the sheet metal and thinner section. Precision welding in aircraft, chemical instrument industries, welding of expansion use instrument. Yeah, you can see this with the help of a good video, and the lecture will be going on online or in the lecture time.